Here's how to make a feedback patch using only the brains, pressure points, and Echophon. Plug your Echophon into your output. Notice there is no sound happening at the moment. Now we're going to try to capture, just wherever the settings are, going to try to capture some feedback. I've got a little bit. Okay, now that we have that going, once we have that going, I'm going to patch the feedback out. Right to the in. And now we have a weird little loop going. You'll see that we are generating clock out. So let's plug that into the clock output of the brains, or the clock input. Now we can start to manipulate these controls. The echo control, for example, using the brains. Giving it 0 to 8 volts there. Now, the pitch. And we can adjust these. I like to spin this around every once in a while to give it some variety. And some 0 to 5 volts to the depth control. And now we can play around. The input, change the input amount. Change the depth of pitch. And let it run. Now if you run out of steam there, you can always have the feedback loop. Let's swap the sides. Starting to pick up again. Oh. And that's it.